Hello besties, how are you guys? I hope all are doing great, are very happy and living a very healthy life. Welcome to Englishly and I am Divya. First of First of all, a very warm welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Like, I wasn't expecting the amount of love I would get in my first video. Because of you guys, my first video was a great success. I appreciate that. I'm so thankful for that. I'm really grateful. Thank you everyone for supporting me in my first video and making it a huge success. And I hope the amount of love, the amount of support I got from you guys will remain forever. So मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ आप लोगों का, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ. You know what, I am on clouds 9 today. So I really wanted to shoot this video and wanted to tell everyone. I wanted to वो in Hindi there is a proverb, ढिंडोरा पीट के बटाम बताना, so ringing the bells and all. So I just wanted to do that and मैं आप लोग सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ जिन लोगों ने मेरे फर्स्ट वीडियो में मेरा इतना सपोर्ट किया, इतना प्यार दिखाया मुझे. For that again thank you. So starting off for the day, so as for now, for today we are gonna learn sounds. Oh! Did you hear that? बस these are the sounds. बस यही सब है जो आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं. These are the things we are gonna learn today. These are the basics of English sounds, on the base of which the foundation of English gets ready. Okay, so sounds. Welcome all to kindergarten. आज हम लोग सब कोई बच्चे हैं. Today we are all kids. Okay. So like a kid, they don't know anything. जैसे बच्चों को कुछ भी नहीं आता है. Just forget everything from your brains. Just kick them out, throw them out. And today we are gonna learn English from the basics, from A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so अपने दिमाग से सारे चीज़ों को उठा फेंकिए और हम लोग आ जाते हैं किंडरगार्टन में इंग्लिश का बेसिक सीखने, जहाँ एक छोटे बच्चे के जैसा हमें कुछ भी नहीं आता है. वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग. ओके, वी आर जस्ट गोना स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक्स. हम लोग बेसिक से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. सो A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ta-da! 26 alphabets, you know, there are 26 alphabets. ये क्या है? 26 alphabets हैं. So I have summoned the whole English of the universe in these 26 alphabets. Yeah, English is all about these 26 alphabets. There is nothing far or beyond this. Like in the first video I did and you did not understand. So it's all about sounds. It's just not English. Like in China, they talk in Chinese language. In Japan, they talk in Japanese language. So that is also okay. So English is that. It's all about understanding the sounds. Okay, ये सब सिर्फ साउंड समझने का एक छोटा सा गेम है. जैसे हम लोग हिंदी, लाइक इफ़ ऑल द पीपल हु नो हिंदी, हम लोग हिंदी कैसे जानते हैं? बोल के, समझ के, सुन के, वो आवाज़ें हमारे कान में आती है तो हम लोग वो वर्ड्स कैच करते हैं. जैसे अंडर दिस 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स, वॉट एवर वी से, मैं अभी जो भी बोल रही हूँ, मैं जितना भी वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जितना भी साउंड्स मैं निकाल रही हूँ, ये सब सिर्फ 26 अक्षरों के अंदर आ जाता है। इसके बाद भी कुछ कुछ हैं जो आपस में कनेक्ट होके बनते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे कि now what is happening here is the alphabets are doing friendship with each other, okay, मतलब वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ फ्रेंडशिप कर लेते हैं। एंड देयर इज़ वन अल्फ़ाबेट हियर, एक ऐसा अल्फ़ाबेट है जो सबके साथ फ्रेंडशिप कर लेता है, बट means it becomes friends with almost everyone, not every alphabet, okay, not every alphabet but almost every alphabet, मतलब ज़्यादातर अल्फ़ाबेट के साथ, सभी के साथ नहीं, but ज़्यादातर अल्फ़ाबेट्स के साथ। and it becomes a new sound, okay, like suppose ch becomes ch, sh becomes sh, ch is ch, example chamach, okay, sh becomes sh, shalgam, th becomes the, diwar, or we can also say it as in Hindi thermos, kh is kh से, tell me what is from kha? खरगोश, yeah, and jh is jha, झंडा, dh is dha, okay, धन, kh bh is bh, bh से भंडार, भव्य महल, yeah. So now there are some English examples as well, like ch goes for chips, catch, sh is for shop, shirt, th is thing, this. Now kh, jh, dh and bh, these are few words, these are few like as said, okay, the words should have a meaning here, okay. So these particular words form only the Hindi alphabets, the Hindi words, okay, like kh becomes kh, and there is a Hindi words for that, but there are none in English. jh, yeah, there are names in English, but there are no as thing, there are no like names of the things, okay. The name of persons are connected with jh. Here I have written Jhelum, Jharkhand. dh is Dhoni, yeah, our famous cricketer, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Dhanush, bh is Bhagwat, Bhai. So these are the few names here. So bh is also a cute name here, which I can say is Bharti. She's my mom, I love her so much. So yeah, so there are names from bh, but none like if you say no words, okay, in English. But yeah, do not worry, there are some other alphabets here which merges with other to become a word. The word should be a meaningful word, okay. So if I say here SRRY, what does this mean? Sorry is SORRY. So the words should have a meaning. However, like it doesn't happen like any word mixes with any word and they form a word. No, it doesn't happen like that. They should have a meaning. A sentence forms or a word forms when the alphabets combine meaningfully, okay. We have to combine the alphabets meaningfully to make that alphabet become a word. Here CHIPS became chips. SRRY, there's no such word, yeah. But as I told you, there are some other words as well, like WH in Hindi it's wa, it becomes when, WHE, and when, cup, okay. NG, okay. So here I have given a question mark. Why? Because NG, there is no word which comes in Hindi combining NG, but English there are. It's RING, ring. NK, again there is no word in Hindi, but in English it becomes BUNK, bunk. So the letters combine, okay, with each other to become some English words as well as some Hindi words, okay. So like any word, but it should has a meaning. Like TOP, it becomes top, the top I am wearing, or the rooftop, or lattu, like in Hindi the people play with the top, the kids play with the top. Okay, so bat, it becomes bat. Okay, the bat as in bat ball, and one is the bat, the flying bat, the one that hangs on the tree, chamgadad in Hindi we call. Okay, like math, math, it becomes maths. Okay, people call here maths, like many people, like because of pronunciation. Okay, it like Hindi, English, we call it mathematics. Okay, but people maths, combining max, but that's a different word, the people pronounce it like that. So pronunciation is very important here. Okay, मतलब pronunciation एक बहुत ही vital role play करता है. कुछ भी हम लोग बोलते हैं तो हम लोग हमेशा maths बोल सकते हैं, maths या फिर mathematics, बट हम लोग यहाँ क्या बोलते हैं, maths. हिंदी इंग्लिश maths नहीं, maths. ठीक है, तो वैसे ही कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट किसी के साथ कंबाइन कर लीजिए, मीनिंग होना चाहिए, तब जाकर के एक वर्ड फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को भी किसी के साथ, जैसे आपका भी कोई भी वर्ड होगा, मेरा नाम दिव्या, सो कंबाइनिंग DIVYA इट बिकम्स दिव्या, हुआ उसका एक मीनिंग. ठीक है, ऐसे ही लाइक हम लोग कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, बस वो ये 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स के अंदर ही होते हैं. वॉट एवर वी से इज इनसाइड दीज 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स ओनली. कुछ भी, whether it's fan, whether it's AC, whether it's fridge, chair, even whatever I am speaking, like whatever I am, whatever I am saying, SAYING saying, it's also under these 26 alphabets. So whatever जो भी होता है बस ये 26 alphabets के अंदर होता है. ठीक है, मतलब पूरा का पूरा English, the whole English, as I said in my first sentence, like the whole English, okay, the word of the whole English is summoned within these 26 alphabets. मतलब English का पूरा सब कुछ ये 26 लेटर्स के अंदर ही होता है. तो आज हमने साउंड्स पढ़ा. नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी आर गोना लर्न, नेक्स्ट जो क्लास होगा उसमें हम लोग कॉन्सोनेंट्स और वॉवल्स पढ़ेंगे. अब वो क्या होता है वो आप लोग थोड़ा रिसर्च कर लीजिएगा, और नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आशा करूँगी कि अगर आपको मेरा ये प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा लगा होगा. आई होप इफ़ यू हैव लाइक माई प्रेजेंटेशन, प्लीज़ डू गिव इट अ थम्स अप. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक एंड शेयर एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ओके, अगर आपको मेरा ये प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा लगा होगा तो आशा करूँगी कि मुझे अपना एक थम्स अप दीजिएगा, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा, और डेफिनेटली अपनी फ्रेंड्स में शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू. राधे राधे.